Hello everyone, this is Paul from Shanghai KUKA Cable Company, and today I'm going to introduce you the toolkit. In one toolkit, this is the connector crampers, and this is the strapper, and this is solar connectors. With 2 connector wrenches and 2 screwdrivers. About the installation steps, firstly, strap the wire about 2 centimeters at the end of the wire by the cable strapper, and then insert the wire to the connector pins. Secondly, by the connector crimper, tighten the connector pins. Thirdly, insert the connector pin to the corresponding connector sections. And then use the connector wrench to tighten them. Finally, you can push the 2 connector sections together until you hear click. About the package, we support the books and nylon zipper bags, and our minimum order quantities is 1 pieces. You can customize the logo at here, and we can deliver the goods in 7 to 10 days. Okay, thank you.